Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take probiotic sachets. First, always check the expiration date on your sachet to ensure maximum effectiveness. Next, carefully read the specific instructions provided on the packaging, as preparation can vary slightly between brands. Finally, prepare a glass with about 100 to 200 milliliters of water or another non-carbonated drink, ready for mixing. Now, let's mix it. Gently tear open the probiotic sachet along the marked line, being careful not to spill any powder. Pour the entire contents of the sachet into your prepared glass of water or beverage. Stir the mixture well with a spoon for about 15 to 30 seconds until the probiotic powder is completely dissolved and there are no visible clumps. This ensures even distribution. Once mixed, it's time to consume your probiotic. Drink the entire solution immediately to ensure the live cultures are active and effective. For many probiotics, taking them with a meal can help protect the beneficial bacteria from stomach acid, improving their survival and absorption. Always adhere to the dosage and timing recommendations given by your healthcare professional for best results. Finally, here are some important tips. Store any unopened probiotic sachets in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. Never mix your probiotic with hot liquids, as heat can destroy the beneficial bacteria. Also, avoid carbonated beverages. For optimal gut health, aim for consistent daily intake over several weeks or months, as recommended by your doctor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.